Alright, I'm having starting issues with this one now. 3500 Predator inverter generator. Only has 41 hours on it, I think it said. Let's see here. Pull the battery. I can't get the... Pull the cover. There's junk in there. Hope mouse didn't chew the cord. I had it running. I think. Need to pop that spark plug out. Let's see. Nice and warm out. Let's see. If I can take this out without knocking you guys over. I wonder if that'll record upside down now. You guys gotta watch it. Okay. Pull our boot off. There's our spark plug wrench for it. It's warm out here. Whew. 21st of December. Shivering all doggone. I'm gonna buy WD-40 to soak some chins. I forgot. Well, what do you think? Does it look good? Look fine. So, oh, I think I got the wrong one. It's the original torch. FR, F7R, TC. These aren't very great spark plugs, but I guess it has 41 hours on it. So, I got a BPR 6ES NGK spark plug. We'll see if that'll be more better. Maybe it's just a spark, I don't know. Hope that's all it is. Makes me nervous, that battery. I can't get it to electric start. I picked up the wrong one. Darn pot liquor sold me the wrong battery at Harbor Freight. Well, I guess I got a backup for my bigger generator. Okay. Put our boot back on. Hi. Let's see here. Let's see if she'll fire up now. that'll stay there or not. Woohoo. Maybe I should replace a spark plug in my bigger generator too. Let's see if it'll. Yeah, see. Darn. I'm afraid something chewed that. But anyhow, there you go. You guys got a Predator generator. Change out those junky torch spark plugs to a NGK. What is it? Right there. You read it? NGKBPR6ES. Not bad for, I think, $3 and I don't know, 49 cents a piece at AutoZone or Parts Plus. So, all right, maybe I shouldn't say that out loud. Anyhow, hope this helps, and stay warm on this nice, cold, frosty December day. Merry Christmas, and hopefully you have a good Christmas and stay warm. All right, look at how cold it is. Shivering. I'm going to go in the house where it's warmer. Done working out here. Oh, man. All right. Merry Christmas, guys, and thanks. Catch you next time on Stihl-Man Shenanigans. Bye now.